Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, here with a Magnifica DeLonghi at the shop, and pretty much what had happened is it was leaking through the side here, and we thought it would be either the flow meter or the water pump. Truth be told, it was the generator and its O-rings. There's a couple O-rings on the generator that right before it gets to it to put water into it to heat up. So we replaced those and we did descale the machine. And so yeah, we're gonna do a test on the machine, testing all the functions from test espresso, hot water, and steam. We're gonna start with a double shot of espresso. And we're using our test coffee for this test. Dry. I did not mess around any of the settings. You could of course mess with that when you do receive your machine back. Now it's getting ready to pour. As you can see, pouring well. This is for a double shot, by the way. As you can see. Then we're going to test hot water first, because that's quicker. As you can see, a steady stream of water coming out. Also, we're going to turn that off to steam.
Thank you. Thank you.
So it's going to pour water out for a little bit, but then it's going to start heating up, and it's going to start steaming like that. And everything's working well with this machine. If you like this repair or any of our other videos, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.